This tiny cloud just sneezed and accidentally created the most magical rainstorm ever. One sunny morning, little Nimbus floated peacefully through crystal blue skies, humming softly to himself. Without warning, a tickle built up in his fluffy center. Achoo! The massive sneeze sent sparkling raindrops cascading down like liquid diamonds. Below, forest animals danced joyfully as flowers bloomed instantly and rainbow puddles formed everywhere. Realizing his sneeze had brought pure magic to the world below.